Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making a delicious traditional Latin American dish called Cuban Picadillo. This comfort food has an amazing combination of ingredients, perfect for a weeknight meal. So let's get cooking. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add our ground beef and break it into small pieces. We'll generously season with freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll keep breaking the meat while cooking until no longer pink. When this step is done, we'll scoop up the meat into a bowl using a slaughter spoon and set aside for now. Next, we'll keep just a little bit of fat from the beef, about 1 tablespoon to 1.5, and add our yellow onions to it. We'll lightly season with ground sea salt and saute them for 2 minutes. A couple minutes later, we'll add red peppers and also orange peppers, which gives a nice color to the dish. As I always say, we eat with our eyes first. We'll saute them for 2 minutes as well. Now, if the skillet starts getting very dry, add some olive oil. Oh, I would say half a tablespoon at the most. Just enough so the veggies don't stick to the bottom. To this, we'll add pressed garlic, although you can always chop them finely if you prefer, and quickly saute for 30 seconds before adding tomato paste. Guys, to salvage your leftovers, click on the top right corner of your screen to get this amazing trick. We'll cook for 2 minutes while stirring until the ingredients are well coated. Alright, so we'll return the ground beef back to the skillet, including any accumulated juices. Some red wine. Most picadillo recipes use white. I prefer red with beef. Followed by low-sodium beef broth, a can of crushed tomatoes, and then Worcestershire sauce. There's an ingredient I really enjoy, and it's Spanish queen olives. I add between 10 to 12 of them, plus some olive brine along with capers, golden raisins, and Yukon Gold potatoes. We'll give a good stir and continue with the remaining ingredients, the seasonings. We'll add ground cumin, one of my favorite spices, some dried oregano leaves, a little bit of hot paprika, and a large bay leaf. We'll mix the ingredients until well blended, increase the heat to high, and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll cover, reduce the heat back to medium, and let it simmer for 18 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. When they're cooked, we'll discard the bay leaf, and of course, we'll taste and adjust the seasonings if needed. What I like to do is to cook uncovered for another 2 minutes so the liquid evaporates and turn this deliciousness into a thicker consistency. We'll spoon the mixture into a bowl along with white rice and sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our Cuban Picadillo. This flavorful one-pot recipe is a great one to add to your folder. It's versatile, can be served in many different ways, and it's budget-friendly too. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!